You know who is it? Actually, I forget her name. She used to come in open chat. She's yeah, she's To's girl, man.
Yeah.
Just pass the video.
You don't
Relax,
know
bro.
Chantel,
This is my
it's
video.
Chantel
I'm
or
the
something.
ruler here.
Chantel.
This is my kingdom.
Yeah, wait, I got the
Yeah,
name.
yeah.
Chantel, you know Chantel?
Yeah.
Dilo and To's girl. Bro, Chantel.
Yeah.
Chantel.
Just shut up, bro. You don't know who is speaking about.
Just Chichi, if you see this video, me I please. Hey, bro.
I can carry your bag, bro, your bags when you going to the event because she's a DJ.
I can carry your USB, honestly. Yo,
Yeah.
I can carry your
I
USB.
can't speak English.
We don't care, my man. I'm sorry.
We don't care, my man.
Just
I can't
Gigi.
speak English.
Just Gigi. The thing here is we can't see here, bro.
What is this boy want here?
Oh,
It's a fro, bro.
no, I'm keeping.
It's a fro, bro.
No, I'm keeping.
This bro is not the
Jealousy.
internet bro.
It's not intended, bro. Yeah, it's not a
But you have jealousy.
Nah.
It's a fro.
See, I'm Thunder. Okay, let's watch another video of him.
Ofe.
Nah, bro.
Hey. Something off about you.
Still, she is with someone else. Oh, it's the one guy?
Out of 10.
Ah. Start, bro.
My nigga, bro, what are you doing, bro? She doesn't love you, Siamtanda. Yo!
Oh, look at this thing.
It's the same person.
Yeah. Samtanda. Ghost, you lost here. Ghost,
Right,
you
seriously,
lost.
watch it.
You lost, bro. She has a tattoo. Huh?
Tattoo.
Niggas at the back are starving, bro.
She has a tattoo.
Out of 10.
Did you see her when she was fixing the thing? No.
I said you start, bro.
Start, my boy.
Bro, I can start there. 10 of 10.
I know. I knew it.
10 of 10.
I knew it.
She, even though she appears with 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10, Siamtanda, you are perfect.
Yo!
You are perfect.
I will just pick my
Please, I can give you my CV and go through it so that I can be your cameraman.
Aibo.
I want to be your cameraman
Aibo.
on your YouTube videos, bro. She doesn't have a cameraman. I can be a cameraman for you.
I rate her. You give me space here, you. I rate her.
For what? You are getting me out of camera, bro.
I rate her 9.3.
What?
Because the 7 that she needs, it's in here and in here. I can be a camera woman. Yo!
Oh, wait. You rate her 9.3. Right. The 7 that she needs is in you. If she gets you, then it will be the oh shit. Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You?
I'll just give a 6.
Why?
Bro.
I don't know her, bro. It's first time I'm with her.
Okay.
But you should be impressed when you see her for the first time.
She's not stunning even though to that point to me, you know.
Yo!
Stop KPing. Stop lying, dog.
What? Next video.
I don't know this one, right?
I know her.
know her.
I've known her since before she was born. So I give her 7.0. I give her 7.
Zello. I'll give her. Yeah, 5. 5. 5.
Why?
My bad. 5.
Why?
Man. Just 5. I don't have a reason.
Okay.
Just
When
5.
I'll
not
just
impressed,
give 7.8.
Why?
I like those stunning eyes with the shining eyes.
Joe,
Oh, hello.
niggas are starving. Okay.
Zello.
You like to take me off the camera, bro?
Hey, you want to tell us I'm going to sa tlhaelele. Wait.
Putu. Niggas are starving. Who's starving?
Yeah, this one. I won't care. This is Yanda Woods. I will date her for her man.
Joe. If you're honest, my nigga, bro. You're
I
honest.
will date her to get in some Porsche, to drive some Porsche. I will date her to wear Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I will date her.
Yanda Woods. I rate her
Me
8.1.
Me 8.
8.1.
8 of 10.
Because she's Yanda Woods and I'm the light, which is Menchie's. She needs me to catch fire. Joe.
You! That's a bar.
So I rate her
You are coming with bars,
9.3.
ne? You
9.3.
come with bars, bro.
Yeah.
You?
Lunch bar should sponsor me.
I never saw her properly. Can you play again?
Okay. Relax.
Money talk.
uh, I'll just rate her 5.5. I don't like that dress. She doesn't come properly into that dress, you know.
Okay. Okay, let's all react to this video. Okay, let's all watch, okay?
Trash, o laegile bitch. O ilo lla ko backstage go begile le gapo la kuku. Trash.
Is there something fun on that video when she was falling?
Nah.
Please, big boy, wait. Isn't he 18?
Sign B, badass B in the bitch and back again like I never left. Rate it out of 10.
Out of 10.
What?
Out of 10. I'll just give 1.1.
Joe. No, it's a weird. Okay, why?
Oh, you will just
Looks
minus
like-
1.1.
It speaks too much, though.
Okay, why not?
Nah, 10 of 10. This is sign, bro.
9.1.
This is sign. Sign bush.
9.1.
10 of 10.
Why?
Bro, let me tell you something. Even though she can do what on her board or something, but her face, bro.
I like her
She's
personality.
beautiful.
Me, I give her 9.1. I like her personality and her anger turns me on. Joe. No, it's a weird.
And her confidence. Yeah, she has a
Yeah, it
confidence.
turns me on. Like,
She has a confidence. Right, 10 out of 10. Sign.
9.1.
10 out of 10. Sign. No, we are not trying hard. We are not doing
I
that.
never asked.
Oh, my bad.
I never asked.
My bad. Oh! Bro! Look at the dress. Look at the. Oh.
Yo.
Look at the press. Did you see the press?
Should I fuck another one or we are rating it?
Nah, red, bro. Red, bro. Red, bro. That one is.
Let's all watch this video. Let's all watch this video.
You're watching us now.
Whoa. Whoa.
Talk to me! What's wrong?
The same person.
I rate her a 10 out of 10. Cindy Makati.
100 out of 10.
Cindy
Remember that
Makati.
100? 100 out of 10 on her. 100 out of 10.
Cindy Makati. Aibo.
I just like the first video, so I'm gonna rate 10.10. Yeah,
Aibo.
why?
Aibo. 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 Aibo.
This is the first page. We already had 10 out of 10.
You
Nah,
know
see,
why? You wanna know why? I'm always interested in slender women. Yo, do.
Yo.
Heavy them all, bro.
You know. Dating who? Remember, she was dating.
Tutu. Playboy. Who's that boy?
I'm hot now. I'm hot. She makes me hot.
Felo.
Hey, banna.
Felu, he was dating Felu.
Yeah. Felo, you lost here.
Okay. Chigi,
Who is she?
your limit for him is 7. Your limit for me is above like 100,000. Her voice, I rate her 100 out of 100. Yo. Tando.
Her voice.
Her voice.
Her voice.
Her voice.
Oh. You see Panda on this one.
We are gonna take you to the zoo and we're gonna eat steak more, drumsticks. And we're gonna sell with your baby, bro.
We are going to take you to the zoo and lock you inside the cage with
Yeah.
hyenas, bro.
Yeah, because we are the panda. You know?
Ish, bro. Tando.
I rate her 100,000.
DJ Coach's child. DJ Coach's daughter.
Yo, DJ Coach daughter.
Hmm.
I rate her 100 out of 100.
100 out of 10. Yeah, 100
I like
out
her
of-
voice.
1,000 of 10.
Yeah.
1,000 of 10. Like,
Yeah.
You.
9.9.
Hey, bro. Okay. Hey, let's move along before it. Hey. Alright, man. If you want this more content of these videos, you tell me.
there's still more.
Yeah.
We gotta do another.
You tell me, and I'll do more of this content. You know. If you want more content of this, tell me. I will make you content of this. You know. Don't worry. Soon, everything is gonna be okay. You know. And like, I love you guys. Subscribe, like the video. You know, share it, and let's get this YouTube channel to 10K subscribers.
Yeah, and let me tell you, hey, babe,
I
I love you. Don't take this personal because
I'm gonna mute it.
Why do bro? Nah.
Please do not forget to follow. Please
And
follow,
subscribe
follow,
here.
follow, follow.
Subscribe there.
Follow for more.
Comment down below for more videos.
Text all the influencers that we mentioned.